Hey everyone, I'm Will. This is Rome.
This is Rush. I'm Kristen.
And this is our crib, the #1 bus. So welcome to our bus. Juan, our bus is a 1992 Bluebird. When we're stopped, we can actually throw this nice piece of wood up here that we did that has epoxy on it, and this is Kristen's desk. In the kitchen, one of our favorite pieces is our countertops. We have these awesome countertops that were originally the Jacksonville Beach Pier that got destroyed during Hurricane Matthew back in 2016. The area below it, which is a table that pops out, has 4 legs, and we can put it anywhere in the bus, inside, outside, and it covers up the hot water heater, which is underneath of it. Moving over to the living room area, this is our couch, which we kept closer to the wall so we have more space here. But the cool thing about the couch is it actually slides out into a bed. So if we have some guests over or whatever, it's nice to be able to pull that out and let them stay. And this is also where Rome's car seat actually clips into the frame of the bus. And this is also where Kristen sits, and she has a seatbelt here, and then Rush hangs out. Always up front, either here or up there.
So behind this beautiful handcrafted barn door is our wet bath. And in here we have a Nature's Head composting toilet. It allows us to be off-grid. We don't have to worry about dumping stations. We have these lights that are awesome. You can turn 1 on, 2 on, brighten it up. Moving on to our closet area, we have 3 drawers in here. They slide out. The top drawer is Rome's, the middle drawer is mine, the bottom drawer is Will's. We actually downsized to this. I used to have an entire room as a closet, and now this is me and Will and Rome's space. Here is Rome's bedroom. Originally we wanted to build a crib, but that wasn't going to work in this space, so we had this pack and play.
On the roof, we have 500 watts of solar from the air conditioning forward, which is what keeps our bus off grid, and that helps generate us enough power to actually be able to run the AC, which is a lifesaver down in the south because it gets extremely hot and humid down there. And then in the back, we built a custom deck. So thanks for stopping by, and since we're in this beautiful place, well, we're gonna go on an adventure. So thank you guys.